Hi everyone, welcome to Chinese with Kim. 大家好，欢迎来到 Chinese with Kim， 让我们一起来学中文。Today I'm going to explain to you the difference between 认为 and 以为。今天呢，我将跟大家说明认为和以为之间有什么区别。Let's now look at what 认为 and 以为 both mean. Both 认为 and 以为 can be used to express judgment or a thought.认为跟以为呢，两个都是用来表达一种看法或者是一种思想的。让我们来看两个例子。Let's look at two example sentences. 第一个，我认为这道菜很好吃。我认为这道菜很好吃。I thought that this dish was delicious. I thought that it was delicious. 第二个例句，我以为他喜欢你。我以为他喜欢你。I thought that he liked you. Now, let's look at 认为。认为 is a more formal way of expressing. It is mostly used in positive judgment, okay, when we want to say something in a more positive way, okay? And it indicates a conclusive judgment and shows a sense of confidence in the speaker.Okay, this is very important. So when we use 认为, we are trying to say that we are very sure and certain of what we think, of our thoughts, and we are very sure that what we say is correct. Now let's look at two example sentences. 第一个，我认为他很适合当组长。我认为他很适合当组长。I think that he is very suitable to be the team leader.So in this sentence, I am very sure that he is okay. He has the talent to be the leader. I'm very sure of my recommendation. So here I use 认为 instead of 以为. Let's look at example sentence 2. 我认为你这样做是不对的。我认为你这样做是不对的。I think that whatever you did was wrong. I think that whatever you did was wrong.So here, I'm trying to reprimand someone for doing something wrong. So I am very sure that he or she has done something wrong. So here, I use 认为. Now, let's go on to look at 以为. 以为 is a less formal way of expressing. And more importantly, 以为 is mostly used to express a misunderstanding. So this is the main difference between 认为 and 以为. 以为 is used when we want to indicate that a judgment, an impression, an idea, or an assumption was wrong. Okay, so we used it when we want to say that an initial judgment, the first impression we had, or the original idea or assumption that we had was wrong. Let's look at two example sentences. Number 1, 我以为他是日本人，原来他是韩国人。我以为他是日本人，原来他是韩国人。So this sentence means I assumed that he was Japanese, but in actual fact, he is actually Korean. Okay, 原来他是韩国人。So in this case, I will use 以为 instead of 认为 because my assumption that he was Japanese was wrong. So here, I will use 以为 instead of 认为。Let's look at example sentence 2. 我以为我能通过考试，没想到我不及格了。我以为我能通过考试，没想到我不及格了。So here, this sentence means I thought that I could pass the exam. 没想到, unexpectedly, I failed the exam. So I made a wrong assumption. I was overconfident. I thought that I could pass the exam. So here, I would use 以为 instead of 认为 because what happened in actual fact was I failed the exam. Now, let's go on to our exercise. Okay, there are 4 sentences here. What do you think we should put in the blanks? 认为 or 以为? Let's look at sentence 1. Question 1. 我这部电影很好看。我这部电影很好看。Number 2. 这样做你怎样？这样做你怎样？第3个，这是他的书，其实那是我的。这是他的书，其实那是我的。第4个，不要自己什么都是对的，不要自己什么都是对的。 OK， 所以我们应该放认为还是以为呢？ What should we put? 认为 or 以为？ Now, let's look at the answers. 第一题，我认为这部电影很好看。我认为这部电影很好看。这部电影 is a positive judgment, right? 它是一个正面的一种看法。所以这里呢，我们用认为来表示我们觉得电影很好看。Okay, we are very sure that this is a good movie. You want to recommend someone, we use 认为。第二题，这样做你认为怎样？这样做你认为怎样？Okay, this is a question. Okay, we use it when we want to ask someone, what do you think of my way of doing something? Okay, what do you think of this? Okay, are you okay with this? Okay, so here we are asking for an opinion. We use 认为。第三题，他以为这是他的书，其实那是我的。他以为这是他的书，其实那是我的。So the key word here is 其实。其实 Okay, so what does 其实 means? 其实 means actually, okay, in actual fact. So he thought that it was his book. Okay, he assumed, he made the wrong assumption that it was his book. In actual fact, it was mine. Okay, 其实那是我的。所以这里呢，我们是用以为 we use 以为 here. Okay, it's a wrong assumption. Question 4, 第四题，不要以为自己什么都是对的，不要以为自己什么都是对的。Okay, 这里呢，我们用以为，我们不用认为。We used 以为 here. Why? Okay, because when we use this sentence, it means that we are trying to criticize someone that, don't ever assume that whatever you did, okay, whatever you thought was right. Okay, don't assume. So here, the meaning of assume is indicate. Okay, so don't assume what you think is or what you did is right. So we use 以为，不要以为自己什么都是对的。So this is the end of my video. Thank you for your time. I hope you learned something from me today, and we'll see you again.